Draw a big, fluffy cloud. Add the first row of raindrops. Add another row of rain. Add a zigzag lightning bolt. Add a colorful umbrella. Add a splashy puddle. Now color it all in. Now the next color. Last of all, write the name. C-L-O-U-D. Yay! All done!